Gold traded modestly in range. It failed to break past 2060. That is the most important point to note, that it went till close to 2060 but failed to break past, and now trading again at 2048. Also silver specifically has traded bullish and has achieved the near term highs for the last few months what we had seen. Now silver that it has achieved 2650 level. So now what to expect today? Today is again a big day when NFP data is awaited, and definitely it will bring further volatility here in gold and silver. Remember, good swings can be expected, and hence you have to strictly trade with a stop loss and a trading stop loss. Let's start in this analysis. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. The second update will be released before the US session, before the NFP data, hence do watch that also. You can keep yourself updated with the live market analysis by joining my free Telegram channel. Let's start. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start first with gold here. Now see, one point to note here is this was the opening for Monday. Since then 2060 levels, yesterday I told you beyond 2060 only it should be considered bullish. It failed to break past this. First thing is 2060 is a wall, it needs to break past by. Second is it is giving you higher lows here. Now higher lows, that means again first it has to break below. Yesterday I asked you the 2046 levels. I will recommend you to sell here at 2044. If you are selling at 2044, 2038 is something you should watch out for, then 2032. And if these two levels are taken, it is going to go for a good drop. So yes, you can sell here at 2044. But now where to buy? First of all, also look at, if you connect this and if you connect this, you will find this is the trading zone here. And that is why I say 2040, 2038 was a very good support. So those who wants to do a safe trading, wait for it to break past 2055 for a buy entry. Yes, you can buy at 2055. However, a rise above 2060 is only something you should wait for, because beyond that only little bullishness. But see, 2064 if it breaks past by, then yes, it is going to break past 2075, 85 levels again, and all-time highs will be seen again. Hence you should exercise caution till 2064 levels. On the downside, as I said, even if it breaks below 2038, 2030 levels, we may see the next strongest support at 2020. It has to break below 2020 levels in order to confirm a reversal. Till that time, we should not consider this for a reversal. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD on the hourly charts is also looking downwards. It is trying to trade bearish twin peaks here, and since then it has either traded sideways or traded bearish. Right now it is indicating strong bearishness. RSI also trying to look down and show slight bearishness. Now look at 2 hour charts. See the divergence from the 20 period convergence, the divergence, then the convergence, and now again looking forward to converge. Now it is situated at around 2040 levels, and this makes this level as a very good support level. The stochastic looking down, MACD has crossed over and now trading with divergence, trading with bearishness. This is crossing over at a little higher levels, though it does not mean, see these peaks here, it can stretch this, but right now it is looking down. RSI also looking down, and likewise on the 3 hour charts, if you look at, see on the 3 hour charts, couple of patterns to observe. First, the support here, rise, consolidation, rise, consolidation. And even if it tries to break, you can see this 2030 levels here, 2030, 2032, and this zone is very important. In fact, till 2030, 2032, 34, very closest but very strong resistance zone, and once it breaks below 2030, then further bearishness is going to prevail, and hence, as I said, you can sell at 2044, but be cautious of 2040, 2038, 34, 32. Well, I don't know how to tell, but these are different time frames, and still what I can conclude here is till 2030 there are very good supports for gold today. Stochastic is looking down. MACD is trying to converge crossover for a sell entry here, and you can see this is also trying to crossover after a long bullish trail. RSI very near to the highs, and on the 4 hour charts, if you look closely, see this is a phase of consolidation, lower highs, higher lows, phase of consolidation. Hence, as I said, you can sell at 2044, 20, then strongest support 2030-32 levels. You should wait for it to break pass by, and if it does break 2030, then the next strongest support is 2020. Below that only further bearishness. And stochastic flat here, MACD trying to converge at a higher levels. RSI is also trading very near to the overbought zone. Now look at the daily chart. Now see, on the daily charts, both the candles, the preceding candles, were trading outside Bollinger Bands, and now these levels are giving it a good resistance at 2050, 2055 levels, good resistance, and then 2060. So as I shared earlier, you can buy here at 2055, but then expect 2060, 2064 levels is a good resistance, and beyond that again it is going to fly high. If it stays about 2064, it is going to fly high further. But I don't think so. I will expect it to break again. I will expect it to give a red candle today, and this red candle might take it till towards 2020 also. Now see, if you look at the 20 period moving average, this is situated at around 2015 zone, which is going to be the next strongest support here. Now even if it has to trade you can say bearish, these levels are going to be the next strongest support. Stochastic at top. MACD on the other hand has crossed over, trading with little divergence, trading bullish here, and it is trying to look upwards. RSI is also very near to the top. Considering this, very simple, buy at 2055, sell at 2044. In between these $11, do not take any trade. On the downside till 2030, specifically exercise extreme caution as it can reverse. 2034 levels are good, and then 2030 levels are very good support. Below that further bearishness might be seen, which is going to take till 2020 levels. On the upside beyond 2055 you can buy, but then most importantly 2060 and 2065-64 levels you should watch. Beyond that it is going to fly high. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch starts on first week of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now also you can be part of my signals channel, trading as per the signals. Definitely you can benefit. Now see the rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement means 2580. Now 2580 is a good support for the day on the hourly charts. 2580, in fact 2560 levels, it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. Support is going to come at 2580, 2570 zone. Breaking below which, as I shared many times earlier, till 2540, this is not bearish, and below 2540 we can see it trying to erase the gains out there. Stochastic has dropped. MACD, this is first, second, third, fourth. This is the fourth crossover in the bullish trail, and this time if it breaks, it is going to bring it to the bottom there. And right now it has crossed. It is trying to trade bearish. You can sell here at 2595, but then 2580 is the strongest support, and then 2570, 2560, it has to break. Below that we are going to look at 2540 levels, which is the strongest support. Stochastic RSI very near to the top, very near to the overbought levels. Look at the 2-hour charts. We have seen divergence, convergence, divergence, convergence, divergence, convergence here. Convergence means 20 period at 2580 levels. Hence you can sell here at 2595 itself. Stochastic overbought looking down. MACD is still divergent and bullish, trying to converge crossover. RSI very near to the top. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, this is the first red candle, and this is happening after or you can say it has breached the channel out there. Now trying to look downwards. Possibly we may see 2580 and below levels. In fact 2560, 2540 are the next strongest support. It is extremely overbought on the 4-hour charts. See, this is the third attempt. When it is seen, if it breaks, it is going to be a very good break. MACD divergent and bullish. RSI near to top, near to overbought levels. Now look at the 4-hour charts, and that is why I say see first red candle. If it stays below 2595, you can sell for 2580, 2580 levels, 2585, 2580 levels, and below that further drop should take it to 2560, 2540. Consistently trading overbought. MACD extremely divergent, extremely bullish, and if you look at RSI, this is trading overbought. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, remember it is trading outside Bollinger Bands. Stretch, even if it tries to stretch, it has to pull back. and chances are less that it is going to stretch the Bollinger Band so far, but yes, there could be a little rise till 2620, and from there a pullback can be seen. Now if you look at the lows, if you connect the lows, 2560 levels again going out to be a very good support for the day. Till 2540 it has got extremely good support. Below that it should be considered for a reversal. A stochastic overbought, MACD trying to cross over for a buy here. This is something you should watch out for. RSI is overbought here. Now considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 2620 and sell at 2595. In between these 25 cents, do not take any trade. On the downside, 25.85.80 first support level, then 25.60 second, and then 25 till 25.40 put a 10 cents trailing stop loss. On the upside, you can buy at 2620, square the limit, 2650, $27 levels cannot be denied there if it continues to rally on the upside. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.